times where I do you bad, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for making it through the longest intro ever. So in today's video, we're going to be doing two hairstyles, two very dramatic hairstyles. I was actually supposed to release this video last year because I wanted it to be like a Christmas, New Year type inspired hairstyles or ideas, but yeah, that certainly didn't happen. So I am going to be releasing them now, as you can see. So the first thing you want to do is obviously sleek up your hair using Eco Styler Gel. The reason why I didn't want to show that process is because I feel like I already have enough videos that show you how to sleek your hair up and do like an updo using Eco Styler Gel. I will be putting up videos of me using Eco Styler Gel and how to sleek up your hair like that and put in a ponytail at the end of this video. But yeah, you'll also then need a pack of Rasta bulk braids. I'll also be putting up a video of Rasta bulk braid tutorials or similar tutorials at the end of this video. You just want to use as many as you can. It just depends on how big you want your updo to be. I used, I think, about like 10-ish or something. Twist them together and then twist them around your own hair there. So you'll just need like one scrunchie or one hair tie, and then twist them around the top of your head, and that's it. If you're the sort of person who doesn't like putting bling on them, then that's literally how you do the style, and then you're ready to go. But as you guys know, I like blinging up my hairstyles sometimes, so I just put their gold accessories just to make the whole look pop. This is supposed to be a Christmas updo inspired hairdo, but I mean, as you can see, sometimes I forget about videos, and so yeah, that's how you achieve that look, and here's the end result.
If not fight, make a fight for the love. If not grace, make a grace for the love. Don't want no complication. This is a situation. If not grace, make a grace for the love. If not fight, I go fight for the love. Don't want no complication. This is a situation. Baby, yo. Baby, yo, I want to love you for life. Baby, yo. Baby, yo, come make I love you for life. I die with my blessing now. Baby girl, you are the one. Love, I love you now. This kind of love.
So for the second look, I actually wanted to create a second separate video for this look, but I just decided to bunch these two looks together. I wanted to create this look for my Faux series. If you guys haven't watched my Faux series, I'll be leaving a link to the playlist at the end of this video. But basically what you want to do is undo the twist outs that you did with the previous hairstyle. So this can be like a hairstyle you can wear over 2 days or whatever. So it can be like a weekend hairstyle where you wear the one on the Saturday and then the other one on a Sunday. It all just depends on what you want to do. But I wanted to show you how versatile the Rasta bulk braids can be, and that you don't need to stick to like, you know, conventional styles. So instead of having two twist outs, you have I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you'll have like 4 twist outs, and then you just twist them out on top of your head in a faux hawk or fro hawk mohawk style. But I'll be showing you guys, of course, because there's a tutorial, I'll be showing you how I did that right now. So yeah, you just twist out the braids. In order to secure the braids on the top of your head, you can just use like a scrunchie or a hair tie or whatever. I also like to use rubber bands at the end of the twist out so that they don't unravel. You don't need to do that, but I find that it just helps the twist outs be more secure. So I would suggest you do that as an extra added step. And then I will show you just now how to twist the how to circle twist the twist outs on the top of your head. Trust me, it's gonna make sense just now. So there you go. You don't need to pick in any specific order. You just like start twisting out on the top of your head and then secure them with bobby pins. The second twist out, I would suggest you twist around your natural hair ponytail, just so you can cover that up and it looks seamless. And then you just continue to do that and secure the entire hairstyle with bobby pins. Again, according to how dramatic you want this look, you can use more or less braids. I wanted something super dramatic because I had planned on having this be a New Year's Eve party type of look. So yeah, I wanted everything to be super dramatic. You can also like bling out your entire head. Yeah. Because, you know, I mean, if you are doing this for New Year's, if you're watching this for New Year's, then I would suggest you bling out the entire head. But also, like, why not on a daily basis, just to like bling it out and make it look fabulous and chic. So that's all you need to do for the faux hawk mohawk look is secure it with bobby pins, and that is it.
Where sweet pass the honey, yo. In a fight, make a fight for the love. In a grace, make a grace for the love. No one, no complication. Easy is the situation. In a grace, make a grace.
So this hairstyle, because I do have mohawk, faux hawk looks on my channel, is for those of you who don't want that added stress of having to part your faux hawk. Because I do have a similar look, but then you needed to part your faux hawk and you didn't have like one bun at the top of your head. So yeah, this is an alternative to that look. So yeah, let me know down below actually if you've tried any of my faux hawk looks, and if you have, tag me in your pictures. Otherwise you can just email them to me at hello@laurinamachite.com. But otherwise, yeah, this is the end result of that faux hawk.
If I take her to the room, she gon' know. She gon' know we let the joy. Find out the yellow love. Can't put the yellow love. If I take her to the room, she gon' know.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.